guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I came back to do an experiment with you. It's gonna be, guess it. So you didn't guess it. It's the bouncy egg experiment. So first you need vinegar, a jar or a glass. I'm using a jar. If it has a lid, you can just take lid and a hard and cold egg. So first you need to take the egg place, open the jar. Yeah, it's good. Then you need to take the vinegar and carefully just put it. You need to fill the vinegar till it happens. So we need to fill it now. So now we just did that. Now we just put the vinegar in it. It smells really bad. So just gently place it in it. So this is gonna be like a thin one. So I'm gonna change the jar. So if you want, you can just keep the same jar, but it's going, guys. So thank you. So it's not going. Be really careful. I'm gonna change the jar now. So now I took the vinegar, I changed the jar. Now we are gonna put it in it. So we are gonna just do it now. So we need to wait till 1 week. So after 1 week, we are gonna just see it, and it's gonna be like 7 days, 1 week. So we're just gonna close it. I'm gonna give you a closer look. So you can see some bubbles in the egg. Now I'm gonna tell you why it happens. So this happens because the eggshell is made with carbonate calcium. So, and vinegar is an acid. That's why it takes place of the shell, and the shell dissolves. So that is why the shell dissolves. And be careful when you play with it. Do not drop it like this. It will just burst. And I have one it just cracked because it just cracked. So thank you for watching. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to share my video. Bye.